In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually set existing contacts as marketing contacts. We'll do this inside HubSpot, and by the end, you'll know how to open a contact record, mark it for marketing, and update its email subscription details so you can send campaigns confidently and compliantly. Keep in mind that marketing contacts count toward your HubSpot marketing contact tier. So only set contacts as marketing if you plan to engage them with marketing emails or ads. Start on the HubSpot homepage. From the top navigation, open the More menu and head into CRM. This takes you to your core customer data. Next, go to Contacts. You'll see your list of people. Find the one you want to manage and click their name to open the full contact record. Taking a moment here to confirm you've got the right person, email, company, and lifecycle stage helps avoid mistakes later. With the contact open, look for the More dropdown. From here, you can add or enroll the contact into a workflow. Enrolling a contact in an appropriate workflow is one way to designate them as a marketing contact and ensure they receive the right marketing communications. Choose a workflow that aligns with how you nurture new leads or existing subscribers. If you're using workflows for this, remember to review the enrollment triggers and outcomes so you're not over-enrolling contacts. You can also review and refine their communication subscriptions directly. In the contact record, open the subscription settings and click Subscribe. This is where you define exactly what types of communications this person will receive. Select communication subscription types, then choose marketing information. This clarifies that the contact should receive your marketing messages, like newsletters, product updates, or promotional campaigns. Next, confirm the details by selecting what subscription status are you updating. This step ensures HubSpot records the correct consent or status change. You'll be prompted to select a legal basis. Choose the option that matches your compliance framework and your relationship with the contact. For many teams, legitimate interest, lead is appropriate when the contact has shown interest in your offerings and you have a reasonable basis to communicate. If your organization follows stricter consent standards, always align with your internal policies. Once you've made your selections, click Finish. That saves the subscription update and finalizes the marketing designation for this contact. Give everything a quick review on the contact timeline to confirm the changes are recorded. Repeat these steps for any additional contacts you want to mark for marketing, or maintain this through your workflows for consistency. You're all set to reach the right audience with the right messages.